Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
And you can change your diet, you can change your friends, you can change your house, the city you live in, your job, your clothes, change whatever you want. But until you change the way that you think, your life will never change. So your life is the sum total of your thoughts. Everything that you've thought up to this point has led you up to the place you are in life. If you think small, you'll always have small. If you think ugly thoughts, you'll always have ugly things in life. I don't care what your looks are like. Everything around you will always be ugly. A lot of people have these drama-filled lives. So dramatic. All this drama going on all the time. And you're attracted to drama because you won't change your mind. You think in a dramatic thought process. That's all you linger for and long for and chase after is nothing but drama. And that's why you keep getting that drama coming in your life. It's not his fault, it's not her fault, it's not their fault, it's your fault because you won't change the way that you think. You got to take responsibility for the way that you think. And habits won't break if you don't change the way you think first. Yeah, I know it's easier said than done, but you have free will and choice. You have the free will to choose what you let reside in your mind. Man, you letting crazy thoughts hold up residency in your head, it's not even paying rent. And the more that you sit and dwell and think on crazy and foolish things, you'll start to act on those things over and over and over. So man, it's time to evict foolish thinking. It's time to kick it out of our heads, Kick it out of your head. Tell it, nah, you can't stay here no more. It's time to start thinking on the things that are better than where you are now. Get a plan for what you want to happen in your life. Start thinking on the vision that you have for your life. Start thinking on positive things. Think on better things. Things that are beautiful. Things that are praiseworthy. Think on those things. Stop thinking on the past so much. Stop thinking on how you got hurt and who you hurt and all the issues of life. Stop thinking on all that. See, success is the maximization of you at your greatest potential and purpose. You can't see your greatest potential or be used to your maximized purpose if you're always thinking beneath your purpose. If you're happy where you are, disregard everything that I'm saying to you. But if you want better, if you want more in your life, if you want to expand where you are in life, then man, you got to change the way that you think. You want to be successful, you got to change the way that you think. This lack-filled thinking, this poverty mentality, this weak mentality, if you think you're weak, you'll always be weak. If you think you're ugly or stupid, you'll always be that. Man, it's time to say forget what everybody else is talking about. Forget what everybody else is saying and saying about me. Forget all the things of the past. And it's time to think on beautiful thoughts. And your thoughts make up your life. The Bible says, whatsoever a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Man, you are whatever you think about. Whatever you think about, that's what you are. Man, come on, it's time to start. Get a pen and paper and just write down positive things that you can say about yourself, positive things that you see in your future, positive things that you see about everything around you, and just start reading that off every day. Read it every single day so you can start to train your brain to think on positive things, healthy things. Retrain your brain to think on things that make you feel, look, and sound more intelligent and better. Just come on, man. It's time to go to another level.